Travelers are feeling an extra punch from the winter weather. The U.S. Travel Association reports the storm cost the economy $230 million in passengers lost activity due to grounded flights. Despite the weather hit to the airlines, the four big carriers are flying high. They had strong profits in 2014. But even with the nosedive in oil prices, don't expect to see lower fares. The CEO of American said Tuesday, quote, "We're going to continue operating American as though oil was still above $100 a barrel." CBS News financial contributor Mellody Hobson is in Chicago. Mellody, good morning.
Good morning.
You hear that statement and travelers say, wait a minute, oil is at a record low. Why hasn't this trickled down to me and these ticket prices?
Tell me about it. The airline industry buys $20 billion worth of jet fuel every year. 20 billion gallons, excuse me. And for every $1 it goes down, they save about $430 million. So they've saved somewhere in the neighborhood of $40 to $50 billion just in the last 6 months. But it turns out demand drives the prices, not the fuel costs. And the planes are full. They're expected to be at 85% capacity in 2015, largely because the industry is consolidated into just 4 major carriers in the United States, and they're flying fewer routes.
Okay, so before we turn to Apple, what do they do with the money that they're saving?
Well, American Airlines gave their flight attendants a raise. We've seen them buy newer planes, which benefits the consumers who are flying them. And last but not least, they're, of course, passing this money on to Wall Street in the form of dividends. Their investors are benefiting.